The concept of buying and selling ownership shares in a venture has roots that stretch back centuries. However, the formal stock market, as we know it today, boasts a rich and fascinating history. Its roots stretch back to the late 16th century when the first stock exchange was founded in Antwerp, Belgium in 1531. This pioneering institution laid the groundwork for the sophisticated financial markets we know today, serving as a forum where merchants could meet to deal in promissory notes and bonds. As the centuries turned, the concept of stock trading spread across the globe, with each nation tailoring the system to its economic landscape. The Amsterdam Stock Exchange, established in 1602 by the Dutch East India Company, became the world's first official stock market by offering shares to the general public, a revolutionary idea that paved the way for modern capitalism. This innovation allowed investors to spread their risk by buying shares in various voyages rather than just one. Imagine the difference between putting all your eggs in one basket and having a stake in a diversified fleet. The success of the Amsterdam Exchange spurred the creation of similar markets across Europe and eventually the United States. The Philadelphia Stock Exchange, established in 1790, is considered the first permanent stock exchange in the US. These early exchanges often operated as open-air gatherings with brokers shouting orders and conducting trades through a complex system of hand signals. The New York Stock Exchange, established in 1792, would grow to become the epitome of the stock market's success, symbolizing the economic might of the United States. The evolution of stock markets was marked by innovation and expansion, spreading to England, where the London Stock Exchange was officially founded in 1801. Jumping across the globe, Hong Kong established its first formal stock market in 1891, known as the Association of Stockbrokers in Hong Kong. This exchange eventually evolved into the present-day Hong Kong Stock Exchange, a major player in the Asian financial landscape. The stock market's journey hasn't been without its pitfalls. The most infamous crash occurred in 1929, now known as Black Tuesday, triggering the Great Depression. This event stands as a stark reminder of the inherent volatility of the market. The stock market crash wasn't just a financial meltdown, it plunged the global economy into a state of despair. Here's a glimpse into the devastation of the Great Depression. The unemployment rate in the United States skyrocketed to a staggering 24.9% at the peak of the Depression in 1933. Imagine nearly 1 out of every 4 people actively seeking work but unable to find it. Businesses shuttered their doors, factories sat idle, and farms faced foreclosure. The gross domestic product, a key indicator of economic health, plummeted by a staggering 30% in the United States. This economic decline meant a significant decrease in the production of goods and services, leading to shortages and a decline in overall living standards. The Great Depression was a harsh lesson, highlighting the need for regulations to prevent similar market meltdowns and economic devastation. Despite occasional setbacks, the stock market has proven to be a powerful wealth creation tool over the long term. Consider the iconic S&P 500, which tracks the performance of 500 large-cap US companies. Over the past 50 years, the S&P 500 has delivered an average annual return of roughly 12%, significantly outpacing inflation. The Buffett quote emphasizes the importance of patience in achieving these gains. This means that, on average, an investment in the S&P 500 has grown by 12% per year, effectively allowing your money to purchase more goods and services over time. While stocks have historically offered strong returns, it's crucial to remember diversification. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, another major stock market index, focuses on 30 large blue-chip companies. While the Dow Jones Industrial Average has also performed well historically, it's important to spread your investments across various asset classes like bonds, real estate, and even commodities to mitigate risk. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't want to rely solely on the foundation, stocks, for stability. Walls, bonds, a roof, real estate, and a strong electrical system, commodities, all contribute to a well-constructed and weatherproof investment portfolio. As the global financial landscape continues to evolve, The top 3 largest stock exchanges by market capitalization currently stand as New York Stock Exchange, a powerhouse in American finance. The NYSE is home to many of the world's most valuable companies. Nasdaq, this tech-heavy exchange, boasts a focus on growth companies and innovation. Shanghai Stock Exchange, a major player in the Asian market, the SSE reflects the growing economic strength of China. The stock market may have its ups and downs, but history shows it can be a powerful tool for building long-term wealth. By investing strategically, diversifying your portfolio and staying invested for the long haul, you can potentially outpace inflation and achieve your financial goals. This historical perspective underscores the stock market's unparalleled potential for wealth generation. While the path of stock market investing is fraught with ups and downs, the enduring strength and resilience of markets like the S&P 500 and the Dow illustrate the profound opportunities that exist for those who are patient and diversified in their investment strategies. As history has shown, despite temporary setbacks, the stock market remains one of the most powerful and enduring avenues for investment, offering the chance for substantial financial growth and the realization of long-term financial goals. The history of the stock market is a rich tapestry woven with innovation, ambition, and occasional setbacks. From its humble beginnings in 16th century Belgium to the global powerhouse it is today, the stock market has evolved into a dynamic and indispensable force in the world of finance. As we reflect on the journey of stock markets, it becomes evident that while there have been crashes and corrections, the enduring resilience and growth of markets like the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones Industrial Average highlight the unparalleled potential for wealth generation and financial growth. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just beginning to explore the world of finance, the stock market offers boundless opportunities for those willing to navigate its twists and turns. So as you embark on your own investment journey, remember the lessons of history and the potential that lies ahead. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the stock market's fascinating history. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of finance. Happy investing, and may your journey be prosperous and fulfilling.